Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Surbhi Agrawal Padni, and today this video is all about this Valentine's inspired look makeup tutorial. So 14th February is almost here, and I was thinking of doing a Valentine's Day eye makeup tutorial, and this is the look I came up with. So if you like this eye look and you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So before starting my eye look, I would like to tell you that I've already done my base. I have applied my foundation, my concealer and my loose powder, and I've set my face, and I've also done my eyebrows. So let's get started with eyes. So starting off with priming my eyelids with my favorite MAC Painterly paint pot. It gives a smooth canvas to create my eye look by covering all the redness and vein lines on my eyelids. I love this product. You can also use a concealer instead of any eye primer. I'm taking my Jeffree Star loose powder, which I also used on my face to set my eye primer. You can skip this step, but as my eyes get very creasy, I always prefer to set my eye primers. So today for creating this eye look, I'm using these two favorite eyeshadow palettes of mine from my collection. So firstly, I'll be taking a fluffy brush and the shade Dollface from the Huda palette and applying it directly to my crease to create the soft base for this pink eye look. And I'll be applying this shade forward and backward and in a circular motion and giving a slightly cat eye shape at the outer corner of my eyes to soften this look, and repeating the same with my other eye. Before moving on to the next step, just make sure that both the eyes look even in the form of shade pigmentation. Taking the shade Risoi from the same palette and using a less fluffy blending brush and applying it again to my crease area, but this time I'll be focusing this color more towards the outer corner of my eyes to give a smoky depth to this eye look, and again blending it properly with the soft strokes of backward and forward and in circular motion. The same step in the other eye. Blending is the key, guys. Blending is very important. Now I'm taking the shade Man Eater from the Huda palette. This is a little darker shade and I'm using a little dense brush to apply the shade only to the outer corner of my eyes so that it gives more depth and smokiness to this eye look. Now I'm going back to the shade Dollface again and taking again a less fluffy blending brush to smoothen out this overall eye look and to smoothen out the crease and also to mix and blend all the shades together. Now it's time for some fun part. I'm using this flat concealer brush and a Bobbi Brown concealer to cut my crease into half. I'm using a half cut crease look today. This eye look I'm creating for the first time. I have never used a cut crease on my eyes. So I'm applying the concealer starting from the inner corner of my eyes to halfway across my lids and not extended towards my outer corner. I'm taking the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and the shade Tempera and applying it exactly where I applied my concealer to set it. Grabbing my Huda palette again and taking the shade Dollface in Rosoi, and I'm applying them to my crease to soften the sharp edges of the cut crease and to smoothen out this eye look. Now I'm taking the shade Vermeer from the ABH palette and using a small flat shader brush to add that little pop of spark and shine to my eyelids. You can also use your finger to apply this shade, as fingers always gives more pigmentation to the eyelids. Now I'm taking the shade Tempera and applying it to my brow bone area to define my eyebrows and to give an edge to this eye look. Now I'm taking the shade Manhattan and Rosoi from the Huda palette and taking a small pencil brush to apply them one by one under my waterline and blending them together. Also, I'll be using a flat liner brush to apply the shades tightly to the waterline so that it looks more defined. Now I'm taking the shade Vermeer from the ABH palette and a small flat brush to apply this shade to the first half of my waterline, that is more towards the inner corner area, to brighten this eye look. Now it's very important for any eye look to apply a light shimmer shade, or even you can use highlighter, to the inner corner of the eyes to pop up the eye look so that also the eyes look widely opened. So that's it guys for this eye look. And now I'll apply my lashes, mascara, kajal and liner, and I'll also do my face off camera and we'll get back to you guys with my final look. So stay tuned.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't live without you. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't breathe without your love. Your love.
So I hope you guys like this eye look, and I really hope you guys will also create this kind of look in your Valentine's Day. So, and if you do, then do share your pictures with me. I would love to see those pictures. And if you want to see any other eye makeup tutorial on this channel, then just let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to do such kind of eye tutorials for you guys. So if you like this video, please like it, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also hit the bell notification button so that every time I post a new video, you'll get notification for the same. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day in advance.